Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we test it, break it down, and tell you if it's worth your cash. Today, we're diving into the BN59-01315A Samsung TV remote control replacement by Buck USA, designed specifically for Samsung smart TVs. Right out of the box, the first thing I noticed was how lightweight and ergonomic this remote feels. It's not bulky or awkward, it fits comfortably in your hand. The build quality is solid with a sturdy ABS plastic housing, and the rubber buttons feel responsive. No mushy clicks here, just a smooth, tactile response that reminds you of the original Samsung remote. Setup is as easy as it gets. Just pop in 2 AAA batteries, not included, by the way, and you're ready to roll. No pairing, no codes, no weird button combinations. It's plug and play, preloaded with Samsung's official IR codes. I tested this on multiple Samsung TVs, ranging from a 2014 model to a 2023 QLED, and it worked instantly on all of them. Now, this is an infrared remote, so you do need to point it at the TV, but the signal is strong and reliable. I tested it from across the room, even around 30 feet away, and it never missed a beat. Volume, input, settings, power, all controls worked perfectly. Let's talk streaming shortcuts. You've got dedicated buttons for Netflix, Prime Video, and Samsung TV Plus. One tap, and you're in. No more navigating menus, just instant access. It's a nice touch, especially for those who binge content regularly. Visually, this looks very similar to Samsung's OEM remote. In fact, if I didn't know better, I'd think it was made by Samsung. The layout is familiar, so there's zero learning curve. And if you've ever dealt with a universal remote that's a nightmare to program, this is the exact opposite. This thing is compatible with a ton of Samsung models, from LCDs and LEDs to smart TVs and even older 3D models. Whether you've got a BN59-01315N or an AA59-00818A, chances are this will work without a hitch. It covers models from 2012 all the way up to 2024. Durability-wise, I even dropped it a few times just to test it out. No damage, no issues. The buttons still worked, no rattling parts, and no cracks. That ABS body really does the job. So, is the BN59-01315A Samsung TV remote replacement worth it? If you've lost your original remote, need a backup, or just want something that works straight out of the box, this is a strong buy. It's affordable, reliable, and does exactly what it promises without any hassle. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next hands-on review. Catch you in the next one.